It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and more. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to be trying out these bad boys here. I found these at the dollar store, and y'all know I use my handy dandy aluminum foil to remove my nails. I've already cut them down. Now I just have to soak them off. So when I saw these, I was like, this might be an interesting situation. So let me just open them up so you can kind of see what they look like. All right, so this is what they look like. We have some S's, then we have an L, so I'm guessing this one is for the thumb, and I guess you just pop it on like that. So I'm going to try it with just a cotton ball and acetone, and I'm going to try it with the aluminum foil just to see which one I like best. Y'all know I like to experiment, so we're gonna figure this out. I'm going to put my acetone on my cotton pads, put those on, and then see if they work. And then I'm going to do the foil and put them on to see if they will help keep the foil on or what they will do. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so I put foil on these three, and on these two I just did the cotton ball, and right off the jump I feel like it's not tight enough. I guess I could have used a bigger cotton ball, so I have to try that out on the other hand. But I feel like air is getting in here, and with the aluminum foil it's gonna help generate heat, which heat with the acetone is really going to get in there and remove that product. But I do like how this is kind of keeping on the aluminum foil. It has it nice and snug. I don't have to like scratch myself as with, you know, just the aluminum foil would do. So I kind of like them to go on top of the foil. I'm going to see if this is actually going to remove the acrylic. If it was just polish, I think it would. But just acrylic with this much air and stuff getting in here, I don't really know if it's really going to get in there and get that acrylic off. It says that it helps gently remove gel, glitters, and artificial nails. So yeah, we're gonna see. So now we just wait. All right, y'all, so this is just a quick recap. These do dry out over time, and this is just a mess. So I would definitely not recommend this without the aluminum foil. With the aluminum foil, that heat is going to keep the acetone moist, so it'll just slide right out of there. So, and then I like to just scrape off the acrylic. I would recommend a wooden stick, but I use a metal one. That's just what I use. But to make sure that you don't cut yourself or anything, I would recommend using a wooden cuticle stick and not a metal one. And of course, if you're doing clients, I would definitely recommend using a wooden one as well, because it's disposable. This one I use on myself, so that's good for me. So these two, I'm gonna go in and add some aluminum foil, because this is not getting off any product. It just kind of all dried together. So yeah, I don't know why this camera don't want to focus, but I'm about to add some aluminum foil to these. Okay, so now I have them on this hand, and I took the acrylic off of this hand. So from using them, I will say using them without the aluminum foil, eventually the cotton is going to dry out. So if you're using it to remove nail polish, I think it will work. But to remove acrylic, I feel like you need that heat that the aluminum foil is going to give you, and it's just going to, you know, trap everything in there to keep the acetone moist, so that it can kind of have that effect as if you had your hands in the bowl. So I like the aluminum foil better. Y'all know that's my staple way. These kind of make it a little easier, like you can kind of do stuff and don't have to worry about, you know, scratching yourself with the aluminum foil. So I like them for that, but just to do the cotton ball with this on it, that's not gonna cut it. Thank you guys for tuning into this video to see me remove my acrylic nails using these soak off nail caps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. It's Sirap. Bye.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.